Most freelancers build features. I built scalable front-end and full-stack systems that perform, scale, and last. My name is Janvi Kundra, and I am a full-stack MERN developer with 5+ years of experience helping startups, SaaS founders, and growing businesses turn ideas into production-ready, high-performance web applications. I work with clients who don't just want tasks completed. They want clarity, clean architecture, and systems that would not break as the business grows. The impact you can expect: MVP builds within just 4 hours, clean and scalable architecture, flow diagrams using AI tools, secure and reliable Node.js APIs along with its documentation, high performance UI optimized for real users, and code structured for easy updates and growth instead of short-term fixes. I focus on long-term stability and scalability. My work is structured around 3 core areas. Number 1, senior front-end development. Products don't fail because of bad ideas. They fail because of slow, unscalable, and poorly built front ends. I specialize in building high-performance, scalable front-end systems using React and Next.js with a strong focus on clean component architecture already built, which stands for Codebase, which includes pre-built layouts for authentications, dashboards, forms, tables, and modals, etc. Shared UI components, custom hooks, and utilities for faster iteration, performance optimization, and core web vitals. Responsive, mobile-first UI, SEO-friendly, and fast-loading applications. Pixel-perfect implementation from Figma, Adobe XD. Every front-end I build is designed to scale with users, features, and traffic. Number 2, scalable full-stack MERN architecture. Clients don't need more code. They need systems that work end-to-end. I built complete MERN applications handling both front-end and back-end with a system-first approach. Before development begins, I prepare a detailed master estimation sheet based on your requirements. This is provided at no cost and requires one discovery call to fully understand the scope, complexity, and the priorities of the project. The master sheet includes feature-wise task breakdown, estimated effort and timelines, dependencies and milestones, clear separation between MVP and future phases. Additionally, I will help with secure Node.js APIs, including REST and GraphQL, authentication and role-based access, scalable database design using MongoDB and SQL, real-time features and integrations, production-ready deployments. Everything is structured to support growth, performance, and maintainability. I am fully available for calls, walkthroughs, and architecture discussions as needed. Number 3, AI-assisted development and smart integrations. Speed matters, but only when quality is protected. I use AI-assisted development workflows to speed up delivery and reduce repetitive work. AI never replaces engineering judgment. It supports efficiency. This allows me to focus more on architecture, performance, and problem solving. In addition to core development, I handle a wide range of integrations, including API integrations and third-party services, payment gateways, and SaaS CRM platforms, workflow automation using Anytime and Zapier, AI-powered solutions including chatbots, computer vision, and custom AI features, cloud-ready and scalable deployments, AI-assisted development using GitHub Copilot, Lovable, and Cursor enables faster, more efficient delivery while keeping full ownership of the code. Industries I have delivered solutions for SaaS platforms and web applications, e-commerce and marketplaces, logistics and route optimization, healthcare applications, booking and reservation systems, social and communication platforms, education and LMS platforms. Why clients choose me? Clients choose me because I don't just write code. I take full ownership of the system. I bring senior level expertise in MERN with a strong focus on building clean, maintainable, and scalable code bases that don't break as product grows. I communicate clearly, set realistic expectations, and deliver reliably so there are no surprises halfway through the project. Everything I built is designed with performance, security, and scalability in mind from day one, not patched in later. I work best with clients who value long-term clarity and stability over quick fixes and short-term hacks. If you are looking for performance, reliability, and systems that grow with your product, let's talk.